Hi guys, good morning from Istanbul. Now I'm heading to my friend's home to take her to hospital because she had some injury on her leg, so she needed help. Shortly I'm recording this video to show you around. Now I'm in Kakabay. It's like in kind of center of Kakabay. You can see the bull statue somewhere here, which I will show when I get there too. Yes, this is that famous bull statue. Almost all of the shops are closed, as you can see. Yes, and still, that guy. Yes, I'm still heading to my friend's home. By the way, everybody needs to wear a mask in Istanbul if they want to go out. Put a mask. So, and I'm wearing a kind of cap because I've cut my hair, so it's too short to public now. Ooh, check out this beautiful street art. Now, actually, I'm kind of lost because I didn't find her home now, but I think it's somewhere here. Another street art. It's so cool, isn't it? Shops are open, and it was so strange to be in public. She will be out in a few minutes, so I'm waiting. Yeah. Yes. Hi. We are hospital.
Hospital, on the way to the hospital.
Yes, why we are in hospital?
Well, because of my foot, I sprained my ankle and I have pain. It was 5 months ago. No, 5 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yeah, and now I need to check my ankle.
Okay. Now let's go. I think we don't need to wait on this stuff.
So
Wait. I think yes. But there is her, yeah. I think we should take into consideration this side.
So let's go.
I think yeah. We don't want to hurt more legs of foot.
So this is the entry from the nice hospital, the private one actually, Medipol. I was first in the public one and it was horrible. I mean, everyone who needs to go to the hospital, I recommend you. From my own experience, it's shitty. It's a low second-class treatment, people. Let me tell you. I mean, you have to pay for that anyhow, you know. Anyway, but this is a better treatment, and the doctors and all. And they have a kind of structure. The structure is everything. And from this, where I come from, the structure and organizing is everything. So now is the recheck. We hope the doctor gonna be there again for my ankle.
Okay.
Let's see. About the doctor.
Yes, and you've entered to the doctor, and what did he say?
I entered here. It was nice to see him again. No, it was, he checked it, he took some time to listen to me and to touch my foot and the spot which is still hurting. And he told me I didn't rest that much. That's why he x-ray again my foot. Let's see what comes out. I hope it's not gonna be worse. But he said it's just like I need physiotherapy after 3 weeks or something. This is the point. So here we are, we go. But thankfully we didn't have to wait that much. That's what I like on private clinics, you know, the best way.
Okay.
So
Thank you
we
so
will
much.
see what the results will be after my screening, after the röntgen. And then we're gonna have a chat again with the doctor. Maybe
Okay.
you're gonna stay tuned. You're gonna be on there with us.
Okay. She is checking her insurance, and
Yes.
she's checking her social
My
media.
Insta life, because they need to know where I am right now, what I'm going through. And I just marked it that I have to recheck my spread ankle, my left one. And yes, we'll see if I have to negotiate with them with that. Because in Turkey, money talks, money talks. And but I have to say that it's a great treatment here. No waiting, because I don't have the patient to wait. And now we will see. But it's pain. Yeah. When I make like this. Yeah.
Bana doğru gelin.
Thank you. Teşekkür ederim. Çok teşekkür. Corona time, I need to stay home, but it's not. This is what the doctor says. I try my best. Say salam, merhaba.
Merhaba.
You need to send me that video.
Okay.
Or to be doctor in Istanbul.
Are you
And this is
happy
my
with your
second
doctor?
treatment. My second treatment of my neck. So I received the same one, and I come back after 3 weeks, and then I get physiotherapy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you happy with your doctor?
Pardon?
Are you happy with your doctor?
I'm so happy. That's why I come back.
Çok
I really appreciate my doctor. I really appreciate him. Yeah, we have a good
Okay.
communication. Thank you.
Okay.
Teşekkürler.
We asked from the doctor, and the people who are infected check themselves in this floor.
Right.
Who it's not actually infected, but people who think that they are infected from coronavirus, they check themselves on that floor. That's why doctor advised that to run from that floor.
Waiting for my painkiller and for my painkiller pills
And cream.
and cream, right?
Yeah, we're out from pharmacy and we're waiting for bus to go Kakabay. We are out from the bus and yes, finally the sea. Say hi.
Hi, back from the hospital at the Kakabay Pier. Oh, finally a little bit to breathe. Breathe the ocean. I'm feeling good. I'm still having pain. By the way, it was here in the area where I sprained my ankle again yesterday. I was just walking, having a walk, and then was. But it's okay. It could be worse. It's still my tissue torn.
Okay.
And now we're gonna have. I'm sorry to say that. I know you have been you doing fasting and Ramadan, but I'm super hungry. No, not that much hungry. Coffee.
Okay. And she finally reached her
Happy with food.
food.
Food is everything. That makes you happy.
A new boat has just arrived. Let's check how many people will get out from the boat. It's kind of good experiment, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's try to check. Let's see. Yes, they are getting out. It's quite a lot of people. Let me zoom. Yes, a little bit, a lot more than I thought. Still getting out.
Coffee station, which is really tasting really good here in Kakabay. One of my right now only cafe, a favorite cafe with the owner Alpaslan. He's over there, the man of the house, the man of the hour, and they know how to make super tasty coffee and nice energy and me and a lot of other people which came with me here, they were all satisfied. Yeah, and enjoy to come here.
I have no idea how many hours we were here, but finally she's saying goodbye. We're in the kind of main street and there are a lot of people. It's like life is like turning a little bit normal, I guess.
Yeah, it looks like it, like there is no corona at all. Good ride at home. Thank you. Bye.
You too. This is the bus look like. There is some place which is written that don't sit for social distance. All of the buses there is some kind of hand sanitizers like this. And this is the inside of Metrobus. Hi guys, I've just arrived and check out this kind of traffic in Istanbul. It's too much. I think life is slowly going normal, or I assume like that. Right, this is the end of this vlog. I hope you liked it. So see you in the next video.